Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing here? So in this video I want to show you how you can resell data easily, whether with if you have an investment as low as just 1,000 naira only. Okay, and this is not only about data selling. You can sell airtimes, you can print airtimes, and also you can sell subscriptions for TV and any other stuff, like even for flight tickets. So you don't have to have money before you can do this. Okay, so maybe you have some friend that normally use data, like, because if you are a student, then you know that every Nigeria student need a data. So if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So most of you have been saying how people are selling data on WhatsApp, like 1 gig for 350, for 450 and something like that and above. So if you want to make an extra income as a student and you don't have maybe a lot of money, then this might be a breakthrough for you. So I want to show you all the tricks that these people are using and which pay them whether you have money or not. So let us get started into the screen right now. So first I'm going to call the name of this website. It's called nIgeria.com. Okay, so after you have go to this website, all you need to do is to click on sign up. Okay, click on sign up. So register your name, email address, everything here. So input your phone number, your real phone number, not fake phone number, your name, your password here. Okay, after you have input your name, your password or anything here, so the next thing you need to do is to log in, verify the account. So next thing, after you verify the account, just need to log in. Okay, so then if you want to fund this your wallet, all you need to do is just to send money directly to this wallet. Okay, you can send money directly to this wallet. So if you want to transfer funds, maybe to bank or your to Jonet account, maybe transfer to Jonet account here. So you can just input this and bank, it will come up with the account and just send it here, and you will get a lot. It will add to your wallet within like 3 minutes. So maybe, and also if you want to, okay, since I'm here, I want to show you that you can even convert your ATM into cash. So this one is ATM to cash. So let me say you are sending a 10,000 naira ATM right now. Okay, you will get 8,005, which means 5,000 naira for them. So via PIN is it. Maybe you have it via PIN, or maybe you have it via share and sell, which means transfer. You can send it to them. Okay, so maybe I have a friend that have problem lately, which have like immediately load like 20,000 naira airtime, and this guy bought it for just 10,000 naira only. So imagine after he bought it, maybe the person just come here and sell the 20,000 naira and get 17,000 naira. So see the gain. Okay, so then if you want to fund your wallet, so here is how you can fund your wallet. You can use via card or anything. Okay, so if someone send you money, you can just use it to fund it. Okay, you can tell the person, if you are using cash, that means you have to pay 400 naira. If you are using bank transfer, you can pay 350. You can just tell them to transfer directly to this. Okay, so the next thing is TV subscription. So you can select your TV. So let me see, this is what I know how to. You can select any package from here. Okay, so let me see, I'm going to set for TV Max, which is 3,600 a month, and I can just your 100 naira as a 100 naira fee. That's it. Then the next thing, you can pay even for electricity. Maybe, and all I know is about the Ibadan. Where is it? Ocean here. So select your meter type, maybe by postpaid or prepaid. If you can prepaid, and just the meter number a month, then email to send receipt. So this here will send the receipt. Then if you want to buy internet data, okay, you don't literally have to pay any amount upfront. Okay, maybe you have to take 10,000 amount upfront before you join this thing. Literally, no, you don't need any of that. Just buy directly and make your money. So if you want to buy data, so we're going to select cheap MTN data. Okay, let's select it. So as you can see here, this 500 megabyte is just 140 naira. You can just sell this for 250 naira. Okay, and let's do some calculation here. Let's do a calculation here. So maybe you send 500 gig here to 10 person. Okay, let me say you send it to 10 person, it will be like 1,004. Okay, you have to pay 1,004 here. Okay, so maybe I will now sell it for just 250 by 500 megabyte and 500 megabytes. So times 10, which is equal to 2,005. So 1,400 minus 2,005, or we can say 2,005 minus 500. At least you have 1,001. At least for this, it won't be for students who know how to use data. It won't last more than 2 to 3 days before everything finish. Maybe you can just watch a movie or a film, a video on Facebook or Twitter. You can see this thing will just finish as much as possible, and they have to come to you for more. So let us go for this 1 gig. Okay, then 1 gig is just 240 naira. So let me say you sell for 10 people, which is 240 times 10. 240 times 10 will be 2,400. So let me say you now sell it for 350 each. 350, or you can go as much as 400. Okay, because normally those people on WhatsApp, they are just selling it for 350. So let's just go for 350 for 10 people, which is 3,005 minus 2,004. Okay, you still have your 1,001 if you can sell for at least 10 people each. If you're in school area, then you will know that you can do this. You just ask people around that you are selling data, go to and paste your or just paste your print this thing in a paper, paste it around the school, and you see, before you know it, people will be calling you for data and that stuff. Okay, so just make sure you are available. So let's just try for like maybe 10 gig, so which is the 2003, and just send it for 2005. Okay, that's it. Then the next thing is which is card. I want to buy card like MTN Glow. So let me you can just buy card here. Okay, buy card, and that's all. Okay, so that's all. So this e-pin, you can just click on get e-pin. Then if you pay the this amount, you can even print. If it just give you some kind of that paper that you used to print, so event tickets, something like that, anyway, then free show of the season, Raffia City, birthday, stuff like that. So let us bring a free event show and feel something. So I think there's no event show here, Raffia City. So there's nothing here. So maybe you have some kind of a ticket, you can do it here. And maybe if you want to buy a flight to this, thank you for your time. This service will be available, but you can buy a cheap time that. Yeah. So as you can see, you can literally make more and more money from here. So the thing is, if you can want to click into normal reseller account, like normal reseller account, okay, you can just click here to upgrade for normal reseller account. So they tell you, do you have a mobile phone or internet connect? You want to know both commission and referral bonus, okay, for Jotnet. And by Jotnet, by helping customer pay their utility bills like electricity, TV, cheap data, and so on. So benefit gain commission on own transaction. So this one I teach you before. You don't gain for transaction. So you can just all you need to do is just to fund your wallet. Start 5,000 naira above, okay. But you can just pay 1,000 naira for pay up. So before, the thing I tell you before is that you can just earn a small amount of money, but now if you can join their reseller, they will give you a lot of commission on everything you sell on here. Okay, you don't have to provide your internet, you have to have a phone, internet connection, and you have to register, provide your national ID card, so passport, BVN. So in order to increase your daily limit above 10,000, I see, if you can see here, my daily limit here is like, let me go here, it's like 20,000 naira here. That my daily limit is like 20,000 naira here. Let me see. Okay, so you can see here it should be like 20,000 naira. It's 20,000 naira, so they will increase it. So that is all. So if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So if you are interested in freelancing, that link in the description below. That sell the 36 ways to earn on Fiverr. So where I join together 36 different gig on how to deliver each gig. So please don't be stingy with this video. Share it to your friends. Let them know that it's a business that is going on, and we have to survive here. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.